You have probably set the page titles on your website, but how do you know if you've set them correctly? Page titles live behind the scenes in your website's source code. You can view the source code by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+U. In the source code for this website, you can see that we have set the page title to Pest Control Lake Gaston, pipe symbol, Commonwealth Exterminators. The page title is not very noticeable on the front end of your website, but it does appear in the tab at the top of the page. In most cases, the search engines will use your page title on the SERP. Just so you know, the SERP is the Search Engines Results page. When setting your website's page titles, you will want to include keywords that are important to your business. Ideally, the titles will be 55 characters or less in length so that the search engines don't truncate your title on the SERP pages. You can use an online counter to check the number of characters in your page titles. If you're working on many page titles at once, you might want to use a spreadsheet with a function to do your counting. By properly setting your website's page titles, you're taking control of the information that's displayed in the search engines, giving your user a better user experience.